Hey, what up YouTube? Today on HD Quick Flicks, we're going to be converting my 2009 Street Bob to dual rotors. Follow along, watch the process happen. A million people have done it, so I probably will leave some details out. But then we're going to take it for a test drive out here in beautiful Daytona. Alright, let's go over the parts needed. First, you need 11/16 brake master cylinder for the front. I got this one from a 2016 Dyna Low Rider. The drag Specialties braided line. This one is the 10-inch over line for a fat bob. And then it's pretty nice because it has a swivel fittings here, so you can kind of arrange your brake lines however you want. These are the calipers from a later model bagger, and then I just attached an extra rotor. It's also from a 2009 Street Bob, so I just wanted them to match. And then this fork setup I got off of eBay, same place I got the calipers and the master cylinder for a smoking deal. The personal preference was to use ARP hardware because I get sick of the hardware from Harley-Davidson all stripping out, the heads twisting off, whatever. So I used ARP hardware here, and I'm about to replace the pinch bolts on the other side because lo and behold, they stripped out when I put them on. I'm gonna pour them in impact. There we go. This should just slide right out. It's gonna drop out real easy on its own weight. Hopefully this will knock off all those crazy oxides on here. Alright, so we went from looking like that to looking like that. From this to that in a relatively short period of time. Anything but perfect, but much better. Now, it's time to dig out some of the ARP hardware. The caliper bolts are M10 by 1.5, 1.5 inch long. That should be the right one to hold the calipers on. Those are some ARP. Pinch bolts here, triple trees are 3/8 18. The rotors to the wheel should be 5/16 18. This is going to be the only place you'll ever see me put a dot of lube on the thread and a dot of lube under the head. I set the torque wrench to 24 foot-pounds. Washer, lock washer, and a nut. Loctite on there. 65 foot-pounds. This guy. Loctite here. 35. These caliper bolts are ARP part number 772-1004. Hull point M10 by 1.5. Now, there it is. This is what it looks like from the cockpit of my 2009 Street Bob with the 2016 front forks, 2016 master cylinder. Remember guys, if you're going from a single to a dual rotor, you have to go from a 9/16 master cylinder to an 11/16 master cylinder. I love all their beautiful hardware that they give us with the Thrashen Supply parts, all ARP. That's what made me start putting ARP all over this thing. Ignition on. Here we go. Oh, this front brakes are so good. guys, thanks for tuning in to HD Quick Flicks YouTube channel. Remember, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notifications bell so you get to see the rest of my projects as they roll along. And if you guys get out here to Daytona or are planning to come out here to Daytona for Bike Week, leave a comment down below and let's try to meet up and go for a ride. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Peace!